The habitat work that DNR and our partners do, it's critical in basically keeping our streams healthy. In Minnesota, with our changing climates and these higher precipitation events that come with climate change, we really need to have our stream banks more or less fortified and good access to the floodplains. So you get a five-inch rain event, all that energy coming down the stream, instead of eating away at that stream bank with all that energy in the channel, when they have access to that floodplain by some of the sloping and the habitat projects that DNR and our partners do on our streams and rivers in Minnesota, it allows that access to the floodplain and takes all that energy that's coming right down the channel and spreads it out, thus reducing stream bank erosion, keeping that soil on the land and out of our streams and rivers. And it basically keeps those streams healthy for the future, for years to come.
Well, hey Minnesotans, Governor Walz here on this beautiful late summer day down here on the Vermilion River, just 30 minutes from the metro area at a restored trout stream. Minnesotans, if you get an opportunity, know that these are available. These are walk-in access. We have some of the cheapest fishing licenses in the country. All those things make for a great day, and I got to spend a morning out here with my daughter fly fishing in beautiful Minnesota.